Hey my officials, welcome back to a whole new video and welcome if you're new. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Officially Michelle family. And as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a hair install with Luvme. Yes, I'm working with Luvme again. They sent me over this unit. So if you guys want to see how I install this unit, how I style this unit, continue watching. I'm also doing a little styling of what I have on right now. So make sure you guys continue watching the video and I will see you guys at the end of the video.
Hey guys, so this is basically the box I got from Luvme, and I am just coming on to say that my audio wasn't working, so throughout the video I just did a voiceover. So if you guys see me talking, it's because of that. But they did send me over 2 wigs, which I have 2 videos, this one and another one coming up. So we are looking and focusing on this particular wig. This is their Kinky curly 5x5 undetectable lace wig, and one of the things I will say, it is a glueless wig, pre-bleach knots, pre-plucked hairline, and it is just an easy and simple way that you can install and you can change up your style. Of course, I'm going to share with you guys what I got in the goodie bag, because you know they always give you and send you a goodie bag. As you guys can see, I did dye the hair black, so I am a black hair type of woman. Majority of the times I like my wigs to be black, and I did not go too deep when it came to the knots. I didn't want my knots to be black or anything like that. I wanted them to be brown. So yeah, and this is basically how I install my wig on a regular day. To me, it fits a lot more snug, so I will take the combs and I will actually just place it underneath what that band looks like. And I love this wig because it fits me so snug. It is basically what I did not expect it to be, because initially I was like, oh my god, these curls are so like, oh my god, but I really do love the curls. They are very, very nice and juicy. And even if I decided to dye it black, sometimes when you dye the hair black, it kind of messes up a curly wig. It can mess up a curly wig, but it didn't do it with this particular hair. So if you guys are in the market for like a kinky curly short hair, I will definitely recommend you try them out. Try out Luvme. They are having a 2022 summer series drop, and this is a part of their 2022 summer series drop, so I'll definitely tell you guys to check them out. And one of the things I wanted to note is that you don't necessarily need to use anything to paste the front of it down. You can simply go about your business with it like that. It does not lift or anything, but because I was going out, I decided I wanted to be extra and, you know, just make sure that the hair was flat and it was laid. So you don't have to do this if you do not want to. This is actually very much optional. And what I ended up using in the hair, I don't like to use too much products when it comes to my curly hair, because I just think curly hair needs a little bit of water and some mousse. So that is basically what I went in with. I went in with some water and some mousse, and I did not drench the hair as well because I was going for a poofy look on this particular day. But I'm pretty sure if you guys watch my vlogs, you'll see me with this hair again, and maybe I will try and style it differently, which you guys can see in another vlog. So make sure you're following me and keeping up with my vlogs. But this is basically kind of what the style I was going for. I was really going for a poofy look, and the mousse that I'm using in this video is actually a curling mousse. It is the Lotta Body curling mousse, and I just loved what it did for the curls. It further defined the curls, and then when I started to comb my hands through it, it kept the hair soft throughout the evening. It is just perfect. If you watch my vlog, you'll see how my hair looks when I got back home, and I'm just sharing with you guys a close-up of how the curls look while they are semi-wet. I would say that it's kind of like just damp right now, and I just love how they look. so now I am just going in and like customizing to frame my face. This is something that I do with all of my wigs, or even if I have a weave in. I think it doesn't matter if it's a curly hair or if it's straight hair. You want to go in and customize it to frame your face as best suited for you. And now let's get into the dressing aspect of this video, because this is a get ready with me. So I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
Alright guys, so this is basically the end of the video. This is how the hair is looking on me. I actually really like it. Love it. I haven't done something like this, if never. I haven't done something like this at all, and I really love what it is giving. So I am off. I have to go, but don't forget to check out Luvme hair. They have really good hair, as you guys can see, and I love this unit because it's the summer. If it gets wet, I will still be fine and all of that. I feel like the pattern is very realistic to like how a pattern would look, and I also love that the curls start from like here, because you know sometimes the hair looks flat and then it just curls. I don't really like that. I like when it looks like it's mine. You have to really look a lot to see if it is not. So yeah, so that's basically it for me. Don't forget to check out Luvme. I will leave all of the information linked in my description box below with a discount code, all of that good stuff. So this is where I'm going to end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, if you've made it to the end of this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already subscribed. And for my returning subscribers, don't forget to hit on that post notification bell so that you can know when I upload new videos. And I'll talk to you guys in my next upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.